Who's that pretty puppy? Who's that pretty puppy right there? Well, she's not a puppy anymore, but come here. This is Tina. Back up. Back up. Right now, she wants to play this lovely game of fetch that we usually do. See, this is one of her ropes right here. This is her toy. And she also has a shoe. Well, it used to be my shoe. But she likes to chew on shoes, so I gave her one of my old ones. So she loves it, but she loves this rope right here. And all we'll do is throw it. Oh, I wish I could. I'm going to have to practice throwing and recording it. And she'll bring it back. She won't give it to me right away. You know, she'll reach for it and all this kind of stuff. She'll play tug of war. And finally, when I just ignore, and I'm like, okay, fine. That's it. Leave it. Thank you. Thank you. And she'll leave it where she knows I see it. She's right here beside me. And she'll sit over there and wait. But she won't wait forever. She'll get impatient, you know, if, say, like 30 seconds passes by or whatever. We'll see how long it takes her. It'd be different if I wasn't looking at her. Okay, I won't look at her, but I'll still record to see how that does. There she goes. Okay, so yeah, about 15-20 seconds I think it was. And she pushes back, you know, to remind me like, hey, it's still here. I need you to throw it. Alright, I'm gonna throw it. Alright, and she'll run to bring it back. And she loves this simple game. We'll do this for like 3 hours straight, and she won't stop. She'll stop for a little bit when she gets out of breath and, you know, to get a little drink of water. Yeah, you will. But, yeah, she's pretty energetic. She's, almost 2 years old now. So in dog years, I think that's, what, 14? So, ooh, Mama, you getting older. Oh, my goodness. You have a baby girl. But, yeah, she's a pretty good size. I mean, I don't think she's too big. Let me see if I can kind of... Come on. Come on. Yeah, see, she's not really that big. She's a pretty good size. She comes up to, like, my knee, I think. Well, right. Yeah, right about to my knee. Hey, yo, birdie. Here you are. Alright. Just wanted to post a video of her since I hadn't in a while. I don't know. Okay. Say hi. Mama. Say hi there. Little camera whore. Look at her. She loves the camera. I swear she does. She's smiling. Yeah, man, baby smiling. The tail wagging. Alright. Yeah, this was just an excuse for me to make a video. That's our alarm system. I hate the fucking thing. I really do. Alright, let me go. Peace, y'all. Hey everybody, it's Fonteresa again. So, apparently, I guess I'm becoming the camera whore because this is like the third video that I've made in 2 days. And usually I don't post YouTube videos for like maybe once a month or something. So that shows that I'm really, really liking this camera here. But the main reason why I was posting was because I forgot to post pictures of the camera itself. I took pictures yesterday before, like when I was opening the package and everything, and showed a picture of me holding it and smiling it. So, smiling it. I said holding it and smiling it. Okay, yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to post those pictures on the end of this video because I forgot to do it on the other one that I posted yesterday. So, just wanted to say that. Tina heard a dog, well, we heard a dog barking outside and she turned to look like, the hell? What is it, Mama? Oh, Lord, here she wants to be in the video. Okay, see. Well, I'm gonna have to work on doing angles like that. Oh, Lord. I suck at that. Okay. Yeah, so, cut that out. Anyway. Alright, so that's it. And, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.